We're gonna try to do a tree track, except it's a bit of a confusing tree track, so we'll see. It's good up until the last bit where it's like, whoa, where are we going?
We have a Immelman corkscrew dive into another gap of trees, and they all look exactly the same.
It's pretty crazy. I'm just gonna try follow.
I'm gonna just be getting lost, so if you have the line, just go. 'Cause I want it looks cool. I could see it, but I can't see it. You ready?
Okay, I am ready.
Okay, spooling up. I'm off in 3.
There you go, that was the Shaun man. I'm gonna get dizzy. Yep. There you go, check out this beast.
Thanks, buddy.